नमस्कार एंड वेलकम बैक टू सीक्रेट जेम्स। मैं हूं स्वस्तिक पानीग्राही और आज हम हमारी सीक्रेट सीरीज में एक और एपिसोड हम करेंगे और इस एपिसोड में हम एक इंटरेस्टिंग पर्सनैलिटी के बारे में बात करेंगे और इस इंटरेस्टिंग पर्सनैलिटी के ऐसे कुछ अननोन फैक्ट्स हैं जो शायद ही आपको पता हो। जी हां, आज हम ऐसे एक पर्सनैलिटी के बारे में आपसे शेयर करेंगे who was born in तिक्रित, इराक। जी हां, आज हम बात करेंगे सद्दाम हुसैन के बारे में। आपको तो यह पता है कि सद्दाम हुसैन was born on 28th April 1937 and he was executed on 30th December 2006। आज सद्दाम हुसैन के बारे में बताने का हमारा ये इंटेंशन है और ओकेजन ये है कि on this day he was executed. Today is 30th December और आज हम सद्दाम हुसैन के कुछ ऐसे अननोन फैक्ट्स के बारे में आपको बताएंगे जो कि शायद ही आपको पता हो। ये तो आपको पता है कि सद्दाम हुसैन was married 3 times and he had 6 kids. Saddam Hussein was born in a very poor family and he had a difficult childhood also. मगर उनकी जो सफर जो एक पुअर बैकग्राउंड से लेके द हाईएस्ट हेड ऑफ इराक का सफर, वो तो शायद आपको सबको पता है। आज हम ऐसे 15 अनसुनी फैक्ट्स के बारे में आपको शेयर करेंगे जो आपको बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगेगा। चलिए हम बात करते हैं उनका पहला फैक्ट के बारे में। द फर्स्ट फैक्ट इज सद्दाम हुसैन हेल्ड द मोस्ट सीनियर रैंक ऑफ इराक मिलिट्री एंड दैट इज स्टाफ मुहुइब। दिस रैंक बिकेम ऑब्सोलेट आफ्टर फॉल ऑफ सद्दाम हुसैन इन इराक मिलिट्री। दिस इज द फर्स्ट फैक्ट। द सेकेंड फैक्ट, व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट सद्दाम हुसैन, he led the longest war in the history of Iraq from 1980 to 1988 against Iran. And during this war, roughly around 1 million people were either injured or they were killed. This was the second fact of Saddam Hussein. When we talk about the third fact of Saddam Hussein, he is the only Arab ruler to attack another Arab country in 1991. This attack was against Kuwait. This is the third fact of Saddam Hussein. The fourth fact is the year Saddam Hussein assumed power, he gave $250,000 to Detroit, to Chaldean Christians who had roots to Iraq, and on this he was given the key to the city of Detroit, and post that he gave $2 lakh to the church also. This is the fourth fact. The fifth fact of Saddam Hussein is the weapons which was supplied by US to fight against Iran, he used it against US itself on his war against US. Sixth fact is he prohibited Iraqis to see Pokemon because he thought it is against the Islamic culture, and he never allowed anybody to see the cartoon series Pokemon. Seventh fact of Saddam Hussein is that he offered a satellite link debate with President George W. Bush in 2003 to prevent the American invasion to Iraq. This was he offered such that he wanted to respect the people of Iraq and people of United States. He told war is not a joke. This is the seventh fact. Eighth fact is, despite hostile relationship with US, Saddam Hussein donated $8.94 million for the poor of United States. Even he sought to give $94 million as a donation to United States just the day before George W. Bush took his office. Ninth fact is Saddam Hussein actually lived a secular lifestyle till 1999. After that, he became a devout Muslim. This is the ninth fact. Saddam Hussein was executed on the morning of Eid al-Adha. This is the day on Islamic tradition people forgive, and in Arabic countries they seldom execute any prisoners. They even free prisoners and forgive them. 11th fact of Saddam Hussein is that he always fashioned himself as the reincarnation of Nebuchadnezzar. There is an obscure connection the way he was captured from his hideout. 12th fact of Saddam Hussein is he told Syria and Lebanon, "Give me your borders for 1 week. I'll liberate Palestine." This is what Saddam Hussein told to both the countries. The 13th fact of Saddam Hussein is the Iraqi flag was modified and there was a green takbir written, "God is great," between the stars. This was instigated by Saddam Hussein, and the takbir was written by Saddam Hussein himself, and this was added into the flag. This was Saddam Hussein's fact number 13. When we talk about the 14th fact, in 1999, a comic book was published and the character really looked like Saddam Hussein, and this actually annoyed Saddam Hussein. This is the 14th fact. When we talk about the last fact and the 15th one, a book was published in 2000 named Jabiba and the King, and in this the author chose to remain anonymous, and later on the Iraqi newspaper started publishing this has been authored by Saddam Hussein. Immediately the book became the bestseller, and later on it was turned to be a musical spectacle. These are the 15 facts about Saddam Hussein. Saddam Hussein came from a very poor background and lived a lavish life. He lived a contributing life. 69 years he lived, and during this it was an eventful life also. Along with this, he committed couple of mistakes. The couple of mistakes are so grave that it was really a threat to humanity. These are mistakes which are unpardonable. We need to learn from it. Anybody who is born in this earth has to meet the dust, however small or great he might be. This is the truth of this universe. We need to contribute, grow, and stay in harmony to make this world a habitable one. We need to learn a lot from the life of Saddam Hussein, and finally we thank each one of you to be with us. If you like this video, please share your thumbs up, share it to your friends. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel, and Namaskar and Jai Hind.